Earnest money is skin in the game. Hi, it's Renee with Keller Real Estate, and I am here to put you in the driver's seat. When you're buying a house, earnest money is the money you give to show you're serious about the purchase. It's like a deposit and goes into a special bank account called an escrow account. The seller sees your earnest money as proof that you're committed to buying the house. So how does it work? After you and the seller agree on the price and rules of the sale, you put your earnest money into the escrow account, normally by wiring it. If everything goes as planned, your earnest money goes toward the cost of the house or closing costs. But if the deal doesn't go through, what happens to the earnest money depends on what your agent negotiated with the seller. If you have removed all of your contingencies, inspection, appraisal, and loan, and then you decide to cancel the contract, the seller has a right to keep your earnest money deposit. So be sure that you and your agent are paying close attention to the contingencies. In short, earnest money is an important part of the buying a house process that helps everyone stay honest. Make sure you understand how it works and what the rules are to protect your money. Follow me for more real estate tips. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. I hope this helps. By the way, if you or anyone you know is interested in selling, buying, or investing in real estate, give us a call. We're happy to help.